Want to know how to make professional videos for your organization quickly and cost effectively? Well, keep it simple by hiring a good team and by limiting the scope of the video. A skilled production team knows your time is valuable, and they have the tools and the techniques for creating quick and cost-effective video. This video was recorded in a live production studio in one take. No editing, and I'll walk away with a completed web video by the time the lights cool off. Spokesperson videos, like the one you're watching right now, can be very effective because it gives your customers and your employees a better opportunity to know, like, and trust you. Put your sales force in front of the camera to connect with customers, or give your executive another pipeline directly to employees, shareholders, and stakeholders. Keeping it simple is the key to making cost-effective video for your organization. For other tips on the strategic use of video, follow me on these social media links.